Oh, shit! What the fuck did he just do? Yeah, they all got guns and shit. Aim for the arms or the heart. Oh my god, now they are spazzing this shit, bro. Oh! Fucking rocked his shit like a wrestling move right there. They don't give a fuck about him, do they? He's licking him and shit. I don't think he's sitting his ass down, bro. I think he's preparing for another move, dude. Yeah, he's about to do that shit that he did to Aki. Bro, there's no shot. There's no fucking shot, bro.